Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. So we are doing the project, right? So the simple project we are doing, and here we are getting one error. In the previous video we haven't solved this one. Let's go to the app comp. This one is very simple. The problem is here it is coming from the app component.ts file. So we have removed everything, right? But here we are trying to use the course component. So I will remove these courses and all those things. Let's try to do it. Yeah, here now I think hopefully everything works fine. If you try to see here, so this is our code we are having. Courses works and use work. Now let's design the courses thing. So we will take a simple service. Here in the courses I am creating a file courses.service.ts. so I am creating it here. So I am writing export class courses service, and this should be injectable, right? Injectable. Why this one is not coming? Injectable. I don't know why it is not coming. Some problem came. Oh, sorry. And let's import this injectable. Import injectable from @Angular/core. So in this one you will be having the injectable. Yeah, here. That's it. So now let's go here and we will provide the provided in, so that there is no need for us to add it in the app module. It will be provided in the root. Finished. So now let's go here, and here I will be having the courses. Okay, courses of type course array. So this should be an array. So I am making it as something like statically instead of getting from the database and all those things. So this course is primarily on the animations, right? So let's create a course model. Here I will create a course.model.ts, and here we'll be having export interface course, and in this one we will have title, or otherwise name. You can have name string, and the description you will be having string, and the last one is the status. That is also a string. Let's make it as a string. So these are the three things which you will be having. Now let's go to the courses.service.ts, and here I will create a new course. So I will make it as this here name Angular complete course. I'll have it like this, and the description also description, right? So here we need to import this course. That is the reason we are not getting it. The course we have imported, learn Angular complete course. Okay, and the status is I will keep it as an active. That's it. So these are the three things. I will copy the same thing and I will paste it at the bottom. This time this one is a JavaScript. I will change it to JavaScript, and here also I will change it to JavaScript, and this one is HTML and CSS, which are whatever the thing, HTML and CSS. Copy this one. Yeah, so these are the three courses I am having. Now here I want to send these courses. So here get courses, I will be having a method get courses, and this returns an observable of course, array of course. So this is the thing, and here in order to send this one all, I will create a constant course observable is equal to new observable. So I am trying to tell it send it through as an observable. Why? Because when we are trying to make an HTTP request and all those things, it returns an observable, right? So like this I am creating an observer. You will be having an observer. So in this observer I will use a set time mode so that we will get some time, and here I will observer dot next of this dot courses. I will send the courses after some time. So like so that it will behave something like a dummy call, and this one is a type of observer of course. Okay, Now here I need to return this course observable. Return course observable. You can also directly return there also, but just I have written it. So this is the get courses. Fine. Now what I want to do is, so here let's go to the courses.component.ts. This is our thing. Let's have a constructor. I am having a constructor private course service, or otherwise courses service is equal to courses service. Fine. We will be having a constructor. Let's have a courses here. Courses of type course is equal to array. Now on on init, I will call the courses this dot courses service dot get courses and dot subscribe. When I subscribe to this one, I will get the courses, and in this one what I will do is this dot courses, this variable and that variable is different, so just I have used it as it is a local thing. So that's it, we got the courses. Okay, now we need to show these all courses in the HTML part. Here in this HTML I need to use it. For this one what I will do is I will create a course component, new component I am trying to create, that is course component. Let's try to create it. Course component has been created. Here what I will try to do is I am creating a new row and call hyphen access hyphen 12. So in this one I will create a app hyphen course. Now we need to loop over this one, ng for course of courses. So these are the courses we are getting it, right? And let's pass the course here. Course is equal to course. I am passing the course. Now let's go to the course component.ts and here catch it as an input variable. At the rate input, it should be imported from the Angular core course, and this one is of type course. That's it. Now if I go to the HTML part, so here I can write it in something like h3, and here I will write course.name, and I will draw some HR here. HR means some horizontal line, and here I will take one paragraph. I will write course.description. That's it. So let's try to see whether we are able to get the output or not. If you try to see here the courses, here we are not seeing anything, right? So why we are not able to see anything? Let's try to see the output here. So now we haven't saved this one. Okay, so let's save these all the things. Let's see the output, whether we are able to get the courses or not. So now we are able to get the courses. So here this is first course and this is second course and this is the third course. So basic thing we have designed it. So what we have did up to here. So in the courses.component.ts, and here we have created a courses service, and we have created some dummy courses, some data, and I am trying to get it as a dummy virtually. I am creating as that I am getting the courses from the HTTP. So I am sending an observable by creating a new observable and sending this one after some time, so that we can add a loading icon also. Now if you try to see, if you go to the courses.component.ts, we are injecting using the constructor, and here I am on init I am getting the courses. I am storing in the courses variable, and here I am looping over each course with a separate component, and in this one I am sending the course as an input. So here I am populating the data, simple thing. So this is what we have did in the first step. So hope you understood about this one. I will commit this all the code in a new branch, that is video-15. So this is the getting the course data. Okay, so courses initialization, like this I will add it. Courses data. Okay, populator or anything, whatever it may be. So I am committing this code. Whoever may be having doubts or anything, so they can go to my GitHub repository URL. So here this is our GitHub repository URL. So if anybody is having doubts and all those things, so they can go to that particular video branch and they can refer the code. So the latest code also I have committed in the video-15. Hope you understood about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.